Lily the microwave was left all alone, but luckily, Brud was passing by and decided to give the cutie some flowers. Everything seemed fine, but then Jevin got involved and took the beauty for himself. He brought her to Red, but Red just called her ugly and hid away. In the end, Jevin decided to give Lily some makeup, but that only made things worse. Now Oren and Pinky started laughing at her. Even Jevin didn't want to talk to her anymore, but luckily, Brud still cared about her, and he realized this was his chance. He immediately made a move on Lily again, and this time she accepted him. But then Jevin showed up again, jealous of his ex. He beat up Brud once more, but this time Lily couldn't just let it slide. She transformed into her horror version and taught that stubborn Spronky a lesson once and for all.